Hello everybody, I am Amran and welcome to Urdu Academy Jakarta. In this lesson, we will learn general foods item in Urdu language. Let's have a start. Bread, roti or chapati. In Pakistan and India, mostly people use this roti, make with wheat flour and can cook easily at home. So bread, roti or chapati, both correct. Next we have bread. If bread this type, it's also called bread in Urdu and Hindi language. Next we have tea, chai, chai. Chai is very famous in Pakistan and India. Mostly people take tea in breakfast and also before sleep. So tea, chai. Milk, doodh. This D and this D both soft like in Arabic language. Doodh. Next we have oil, tel. This T is soft like in Arabic language. Tel. Next we have meat, gosht. Say like ghost and at the end she gosht with soft T like in Arabic language. Gosht. And next butter, makhan. Makhan is butter. Next cheese, paneer. Say paneer, cheese. Grain, anaj. We know anaj, the mixed grain like corn, rice, wheat and something like this is called grain and in Urdu anaj. Next we have curry, salan. Salan is also very famous in Pakistan and India. People use salan with roti or chapati. Pickle, achar. Achar is also very famous in Pakistan and India. People use it with salan and roti usually in lunch. So achar is pickle. Next ice, baraf. The last but not the least, syrup, sharbat. Tea with soft sound like in Arabic. Sharbat. If you visit Pakistan or India in summer, you will find too much syrup, usually in red color with lemon. And the last water, pani. Pani mean water. Do you want to learn more? We teach Urdu writing, Urdu reading, Urdu speaking, how to cook Pakistani food, and we also talk about Pakistani culture. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe us for your next lesson. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.